Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's June 15 and it's 11:42. Let's have a lunch, guys. Naglalag ko internet ate. This is my food pala. Just pancit canton with fried rice. And hindi pa ako nakaligo. This is not my routine. Pero kasi I woke up like 8:20 na. Super late. Kasi kahapon, I went to the city with my friends kasi nanood kami ng Inside Out. Tapos, ayun, sumakit yung katawan ko. Like, yung lower body ko, namamanhid siya. Kaya, natulog na lang ako ng natulog. Hindi pa ako naka-edit ng vlog. So, after ko na ito, may pupuntahan lang ako tapos mag-edit na ako ng vlog. Hi guys! So, yeah. It's 4:40 and wala pa akong minatapos kahit na isa sa to-do list ko because I started the day unproductive, so natuloy-tuloy siya buong araw. I just have my screen time for the whole day and it's very unproductive. Pero that's fine. Pero hindi lang siya fine kasi yesterday I was like this. So I promise not to be like this tomorrow. Mag-clean na ako ng bed ko. So I'm going to show you something. Itong mga clothes na to. So I'm trying to sell these two tops. The color is sage green and sage green ba? Mint green. Ito siya para siyang for teachers, pero hindi siya for teachers. This is not a real pocket. This is just a design. And then another one is ito naman. This is a polo. Pero yung tela niya, hindi siya yung usual na tela sa pang polo. So, yun guys, medyo change of plans lang tayo ngayon kasi may pupuntahan pala kami because today is Father's Day. Tapos, ayun. So, yung bed ko ngayon is medyo hindi natin siya maintindihan. Anong medyo? Kasi hindi talaga natin siya maintindihan. So, ito na yung dadalhin kong bag. Hindi na ako nag-get ready with me or pack with me or everything. Kasi hindi ako makapag-upload. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're currently here in front of Mini. It's called Spring. Ang dami. So guys, I thought it's for Father's Day, but I went here. We went here with my mom's friend birthday.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
So, what's up guys? Update. So, tinamad na ako mag-vlog nung mga after namin umalis kasi sakit ng katawan ko. By the way, I bought this one nung pumunta nga kami ng Tangkini. Tapos, ang pangit ng lasa. Pero super mahal niya. Like, isang ganito. This is 160.